of the city of Manila and Marquez. Good morning and welcome to Bulwagang Villegas. Before we head to the welcoming, may we introduce our guests here in the city. So from the government of Moscow, Mr. Sergey Cherovin again, Minister of the Government of Moscow, Head of the Department for External Economic and International Relations of Moscow, Mr. Vyacheslav Manilov, Deputy Head of the Department for External Economic and International Relations of Moscow, Mr. Alexei Bondaruk, General Director of the SUE Moscow Center for International Cooperation, Ms. Elmira Shevmakova, President of the Peace and Harmony Charitable Foundation for Social Initiatives, Ms. Adelia Alizadre, Specialist of the Internal Relations Division of the Department, Ms. Alesia Selesneva, Consultant of the International Events and Protocol Division of the Department. From the Civic Chamber of the Russian Federation, Mr. Andrei Maximov, Chairman of the Commission on the Territorial Development, Urban Environment and Infrastructure of the Civic Chamber of the Russian Federation, Director General of the Union of Russian Cities. From the Commission for the Protection of Entrepreneurs' Rights in Moscow, Ms. Tatiana Sizova, Commissioner for the Protection of Entrepreneurs' Rights in Moscow, Mr. Alexander Lazarev, First Deputy Head of the Office of the Commissioner for the Protection of Entrepreneurs' Rights in Moscow. From the Alexander Pushkin State Museum, Mr. Yevgeny Bogatirev, Director of the Alexander Pushkin State Museum. From the Embassy of the Russian Federation in the Republic of the Philippines, Mr. Marat Pavlov, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Russian Federation to the Republic of the Philippines, Mr. Alexei Karay Ivanov, the Counselor, and Ms. Anastasia Shapovalova, Russian Embassy Cultural Attaché. To formally welcome our guests and introduce the participating delegations, may we call on Ms. Crystal L. Bagatsing, Officer in Charge of the Department of Tourism and Tourism.
Good morning to our distinguished guests, colleagues, and on behalf of the Department of Tourism, Culture, and Arts of Manila, we welcome you to Manila City Hall. But first, we would like to also acknowledge the department heads and the councilors who are here with us present today. Thank you very much for making time. This occasion is more than a formal agreement, but a celebration of friendship, mutual respect, and shared aspirations between our two cities. Over the years, Manila and Moscow have built bridges through culture, education, tourism, and economic exchange. From artistic performances and academic collaborations to joint initiatives in urban development and community engagement, these efforts have enriched our people and strengthened our global ties. Today, we reaffirm that spirit and cooperation and commit to deepening it further. This program of collaboration will allow us to exchange knowledge in urban development, transport, healthcare, environmental protection, culture, education, and of course, tourism and sports. It reflects our common belief that cities thrive when they learn from one another, when they share best practices, and when they embrace innovation while preserving heritage. As our cities sign this agreement, let us remember that the true beneficiaries are our citizens, our communities. Together, Manila and Moscow stand as partners in building inclusive, sustainable, and globally connected urban futures. To our Russian friends, we warmly welcome you to Manila, my Manila, our Manila. We look forward to to sharing this city with you, and may you create beautiful memories and bring back wonderful stories of your experience in Manila to your city in Moscow. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you very much, Ms. Bhagat Singh, for your warm welcome and introduction. Indeed, partnerships played a vital role in fostering cultural understanding, economic cooperation, and stronger diplomatic ties among nations. At this juncture, it is our distinct honor to hear the vision and message of the local chief executive of the nation's capital, known for his commitment to revitalizing Manila and strengthening international partnerships. His leadership continues to open opportunities for collaboration and development for the people of Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Honorable Francisco Pisco Moreno Domagoso, Mayor of the City of Manila, for his keynote speech.
I'll stay with our guests here in the hall. Anyway, thank you very much. Good morning, especially to our friends traveled all the way from Moscow. And we have a very good gift today to the people of Manila. I encourage each and every one of you to attend the evening event. It's very seldom for any Filipino to watch a Russian ballet hosted by our friends. They travel all the way to showcase the talents of our Russian ballet. Thank you very much. But before I continue, I'd like to recognize and give thanks to our ambassador, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Russian Federation of the Republic of the Philippines, Mr. Marat Pablo. Sir, good to see you. And our friend, Minister of Government of Moscow, Head of Department for External, Economic and International Relations of Moscow, Mr. Sergei Shermin. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I beg your indulgence to our friends. I'll do my best. To Mr. Vyacheslav Manoylov, Deputy of the Department of External Economic and International Relations of Moscow. To Councilor Alexei Karaivanov and Ms. Anastasia Sapovalova. And to the entire delegation, again, we would like to welcome you to the capital of the country. It used to be called the Paris of the East during those days. And we wanted to revive that impression of Manila. But it's a very challenging situation nowadays. It's full of contradiction, growth and challenges, history and modern. But I'd like to make mention our partner in the city government and delivery services, the head of the Manila City Council, Vice Mayor Chia Jensen, and our city legal, Tony Woods, the members of the Sangguniang Pangnos of the local legislative body of the entire city. Please headed by our majority floor leader, Monyo Pangko. As we always say, welcome po kayo sa Manila. Or please, in our own little way, you can always say, Manila is open to the world. This agreement with Moscow is a statement that Manila is ready to engage globally, as always. Not just as a recipient of foreign interest, but as an equal partner. Tourism, trade, culture creates concrete pathways in tourism, culture, education, and trade that will directly benefit our residents, both Manila and Moscow. More opportunities to learn, to work, to grow, and to connect with the world. This is an open invitation. Please always come and invest to Manila, visit our beautiful places with full of history and story to tell. Come build something with us. Culture as a bridge, Manila has always been the city that embraces the world. Through this partnership with Moscow, we celebrate the power of culture and the arts to unite nations and build lasting understanding across borders. Manila on the global stage, we are the city of over 1 million residents. Actually, it's about 2 million nighttime and 3 million daytime. That's how big, or not geography, but population or the demographics, so dense, the city of Manila. Through this, we are the city managing one of the most complex urban environments in Asia. Partnership like this with Moscow help us bring world-class ideas and resources back home to serve our people there. We will work hand in hand with Moscow's government to turn this document into real programs, real exchanges, and real results to the people of Manila. Again, I, on behalf of the people of Manila, would like to welcome our Russian friends. Welcome to the Lord, sa Manila.
Thank you very much, Mayor Isko Moreno, for your inspiring and meaningful message. Your words remind us that diplomacy at the city level serves as an important bridge toward mutual progress, friendship, and shared prosperity. We now proceed to the highlight of today's ceremony, the formal signing of the renewal of the cooperation program between the City Government of Manila and the Government of Moscow. The cooperation program signifies the continued commitment to both cities to strengthen cooperation and promote exchanges in the areas of mutual interest, including tourism, culture, education, innovation, and economic cooperation. May we respectfully invite you to the signing table, the members of the Manila City Council, and the other members of the Russian delegations to please join them on stage. give our leaders and delegation a warm round of applause for these significant milestones in international cooperation and friendship.
Where will I find it? Over there. I will bring the
To deliver the response message,
Thank you.
may we now call on Mr. Sergei Chermin, Minister of the Moscow Government and Head of the Department for External, Economic, and International Relations.
Your Excellency, Honorable Mr. Mayor, Francisco Escamorena, and also Honorable guests, dear ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor for me to welcome you all to this great ceremony of the signing of the new program for cooperation between our two great cities. Our cooperation already has established a dynamically developing history. Let me remind you that the first time we signed this cooperation agreement in 2023, and since that time we are the most active friends and most active partners in these parts of the world between Moscow and ASEAN countries. And the document at that time can be called historic because Moscow became first among Russian regions to partner with the capital of the Philippines. Over the years of the program's implementation, we have jointly initiated a lot of very good programs and initiatives. In February 2023, a series of Moscow government cultural and business events took place in Manila, and the business forum Moscow-Manila Modern Vectors of Bilateral Cooperation was one of the most successful events. At the same time, a solemn ceremony took place at the monument to Alexander Pushkin, a symbol of the strong humanitarian ties between our countries. I would like to particularly highlight our ongoing dialogue in the field of education. In October 2023, principals of Moscow schools held meetings with the leadership of Manila Science School, agreeing to launch partnership links and teacher internship. In September 2024, a delegation of the University of Manila visited Moscow, which allowed us to reach a new level of interaction between high schools. A significant achievement was the signing in August of 23 within the framework of the International Transport Summit in Moscow, a joint statement with Manila in the Urban Transport Data Analytical Platform. This has enabled our specialists to exchange best practices in traffic management and the development of a metropolitan transport framework. We are also proud of the cultural component of our partnership. Events dedicated to the birthday of Alexander Pushkin are held annually. An important event was the signing in June 24 of a bilateral document on cooperation between the Moscow Zoo and the Manila Zoo, opening up opportunities for joint initiatives and projects. In May 2025, with the support of the government of Moscow, the International Festival Universe of Sound opened with a performance by a legendary Philippine choir, Philippine Madrigal Singers, at the Moscow Conservatoire. The accumulated experience convincingly proves our cities share a mutual interest and enormous potential for joint. That is why we are signing today with particular emotion the cooperation program between the Moscow government and the city of Manila for the period of 2026-2028. The document covers priority areas of urban development, improving transport infrastructure systems, healthcare and social protection, environmental protection, cleanliness and waste management, and the safety of life support systems. In addition, the program provides for expanding ties in science, internship, trade, education, culture, tourism, and sport. Dear friends and colleagues, I invite you to actively participate in the implementation of the provisions of the signed program. On behalf of Moscow City Government, I would like to assure you that we'll do everything that we can to strengthen our ties between our countries. This year we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of the diplomatic relationship between two countries. And for us, it's a very important event, and Moscow government will continue to implement city-to-city diplomacy that helps us a lot to establish more profound and more solid world and sustainable development of our cities. Honorable Mr. Mayor, thank you so much for such a warm welcome. We are really impressed with this ceremony, and I would like also to express my warm regards and warm thanks to the colleagues and partners who contributed a lot to the signature of this program for cooperation. This November, on the 23rd and 26th, Moscow government is hosting International Municipal Forum. We are going to have more than 100 countries that are joining us, and more than 500 mayors and municipal leaders from different parts of the world. We will be happy to invite Manila as our partner to join these very important international events where we can share great experience of Moscow in different fields, because we are facing the same challenges nowadays as we mentioned before. So thank you so much for the support, for the cooperation, and I would like to wish peace and prosperity to all the citizens of Manila, to all the citizens of the wonderful country. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Minister Jeremy, for your heartfelt and meaningful message. Your presence today reflects the enduring friendship between Moscow and Manila and the shared commitment of our cities toward deeper cooperation and mutual understanding. So as a symbol of friendship, goodwill, and enduring partnership between the two cities, we now proceed with the presentation of the key to the city and the exchange of commemorative gifts. May we invite Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso and Mr. Sergi Seremin to the center stage.
It's a symbol of having always welcome to the city. Now I feel very Russia.
Let's once again give our distinguished leaders a warm round of applause.
And this is please, if you could please beside your desk. This will enlighten you while you're reading. Simple lang. Made by our Oh, a 23 na, Nobyembre. Thank you. Parang gusto niyo na pumunta sa November. They're very excited. I'll bring some.
Today's ceremony marks not only the renewal of an agreement, but also the reaffirmation of friendship and cooperation between the people of Manila and Moscow. May this renewed partnership continue to foster meaningful exchanges, stronger diplomatic ties, and collaborative opportunities that will benefit future generations of both cities.
May request naman ko sa, hindi ba kasama ko sila lahat?
Sure po.
Yung Russian
We will invite our Russian delegates and officials to come up to the center stage for a photo opportunity.
Ma'am, you can join them. I can take a picture.